Okay, welcome to question 6. If you've done question 6, you will note that they want you to use studies you have made, explain how sea level rise is a significant impact of climate change. So we're looking at impacts of climate change, sea level rise, and why it is a problem. Now, the question stimulus, the picture here gives you a hint as to what you can approach this with. So first and foremost, 5-mark question, you need to explain what sea level rise is. What is sea level rise? What happens when you have sea level rise? Okay, what is the impact of sea level rise, right? What is the cause and impact in terms of when you're looking at climatic change? Moving on, what I will need you to analyze and look at is, of course, the issue of so what, right? If you have land use planning and land use regulations, and the coastal areas that may directly may get impacted by sea level rise are only used for recreation, then there isn't much of a problem at all. So the problem with sea level rise actually is this: when you have urban cities that are at your coastal areas, then you will have a problem. Okay, only then will you suffer from sea level rise. So what kind of an example are we going to be able to cite here? You have to cite the fact that you have major urban centers all being coastally located. Give me a few examples of these. Good examples include cities like Shanghai, Mumbai, okay, even cities like Singapore. We're all coastal, and when you have a rise in sea level of a few meters, all these coastal areas will endure massive flooding, and you will have to find a way to relocate all these people. Okay, so explanation of how sea level rise comes about, what is the cause, and what are some damages that sea level rise may bring, then linking it to a specific example of a city or a few cities that have very large populations, urban setting, and coastal. So that's it for question 6.